students. Now we will go for the next activity. In your handout, it's mentioned as activity 4. Create a network adapter for NAT. So network address translation we will do the next. Before that, we have to create a new network adapter and insert or assign IP address dynamically from DHCP server. Okay, so we'll go here, capital P at the rate W0RD22. Okay, for that, first thing you should do is switch off the server. Okay, I will go here. This is my server. I will switch off this. Power off. We have so many servers here. I will tell you one by one. Okay, power off the server. After that, you have to go to settings, network. Okay, there we have adapter 2. Enable it. Make it NAT, attached to NAT, and it should be promises mode allow all. So now it is disabled. What you should do, go for another option here, then allow all, then again come back to NAT. We need the following settings: NAT, promises mode allow all, then cable connected, port forwarding is done, then okay. Okay, MAC address also there. So interface adapter name also there. Okay, now turn on the server. Okay, turn on the server. Then what you could see is in the server manager dashboard, we could see two network adapters, Ethernet and Ethernet 2. Ethernet 2 is the latest one which we have chosen for NAT. Okay, so server is coming. Let's wait for the server to start the services. Takes few seconds, a few minutes, because my computer I'm accessing the college computer through remote, so the speed may also get affected. No? Maybe my internet speed is not that much faster, so it will take some time. Sure. Okay. So here when we get that server manager window, we should change the IP address settings of second adapter, and the new adapter we configured for NAT. So capital P at the rate $W. We again type, okay, capital P at the rate $W0RD22. Done. Now in the server manager dashboard, let's see how many Ethernet adapters are available. Okay, so cancel this. Okay, yes, because I shut down the machine now. That's why that message is coming. Now server manager is slowly coming. Let's see the server manager window. Okay, let the server restart all the services we have installed. So all the services will come down below this one. Let's wait. Whatever service you install, it will be listed here. Now go to local server. Sorry. Okay, let's see. We have Ethernet, the old Ethernet adapter. Now the Ethernet 2, the latest one, which we added now. Click this. We have to disable the IPv6, right? So we have to go for inside Ethernet we have to disable the DHCP, sorry, disable IPv6. Okay, Ethernet 2, right click, properties, remove this. Okay, after that put this. Okay, okay, so this is Ethernet 2. Close this. That's all for this activity. Okay, now we shall see the next activity, how to configure NAT. Before that I have to remove the remote routing and remote access feature that I will do, then I will record that video. Okay, this activity we just enabled a new network adapter for NAT purpose. Still it is not disabled. Okay, we have to click the refresh button so that IPv6 will be disabled. Okay, let's refresh it again. See, it is disabled. Okay, now this is on over. Now go for the next one.